Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk Easy English, the podcast that helps you speak real English in real situations.
If you've ever felt nervous ordering at a fast food place like In-N-Out, don't worry, you're not alone.
Today's episode is all about how to sound natural and confident when you're ordering fast food in English, especially at the legendary American spot, In-N-Out Burger.
We'll teach you the key phrases, what not to say, and even share some insider tips, like the secret menu.
Stick around till the end. We've got a fun challenge so you can practice with us. Ready? Let's go.
Hi, can I get a cheeseburger and a small Coke, please?
Sure. Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please. One order of fries.
Okay, that'll be $8.25. For here or to go?
To go, please.
Thanks. Your order number is 42?
Let's break down the important phrases you just heard.
Can I get is more natural than I want. Please makes everything more polite.
Would you like fries with that is super common, and for here or to go is always asked.
In American fast food, short and clear is better than perfect grammar.
Let's talk about the secret menu at In-N-Out. It's not printed, but everyone uses it.
Animal style means grilled onions, extra sauce, and pickles on your burger or fries.
Double means 2 patties and 2 slices of cheese.
Protein style means no bun, the burger is wrapped in lettuce.
Well done fries means extra crispy fries cooked longer. Hi, can I get a double animal style with well done fries and a medium pink lemonade?
For here or to go?
For here, please.
Would you like any ketchup or spread on the side?
Yes, please. And can I also get a vanilla shake?
Let's go over some useful words.
Meal means burger, fries, and a drink. Refill means free extra drink. Receipt is your paper proof of purchase. Order number is what they call when food is ready.
How to ask for things naturally. Say, can I add a shake? Can I make that a combo? Can I get that to go?
Now let's talk about what not to say.
Don't say, I want one burger. Say, can I get one burger?
Don't say, give me Coke. Say, can I get a Coke, please?
Don't say, one fries. Say, one order of fries, or fries please. Let's do some repetition. Say the sentences out loud with us.
Hi, can I get a cheeseburger and fries?
Can I get that to go?
Can I get a chocolate shake, please?
Does that come as a combo?
Fun fact, did you know there's a 4x4 burger? That's 4 patties and 4 slices of cheese.
Wow, that's a mountain of a meal. If you want to impress a local, just say, I'll take a 4x4 animal style with a Neapolitan shake. Okay, let's review. Today you learned how to order fast food politely, understand secret menu terms, avoid common mistakes, and speak with confidence.
And you practice speaking with us. You're one step closer to ordering like a native.
If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to our podcast and share it with a friend.
Check the notes below for all the phrases and vocabulary we used today.
Next time, we're tackling hotel breakfast buffets.
See you next time on Talk Easy English.